Hi there, and welcome to my upcycling video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a pencil case. It would be easy if you have another pencil case so you can measure it for reference. So I'm going to measure this one width and length. This is 20 centimeters by 12. So I'm going to cut this fabric about 22 centimeters just so that I have enough space when I'm sewing. You want to cut 2 of these pieces out. So now you should have 4 pieces like this. These are the outer layer and these are the inner layer of the pencil case. Take one of each fabric, make sure they're both facing right sides together, take your zipper and place it in between the 2 fabrics and align all the ends. Like that. So right side fabric, zipper, right side fabric again. And sew this together. Make sure you don't pull too much on your fabric, otherwise one side will end up being longer than the other. When you get near to the bulky part of the zipper, you can take it out unzip this part like this so that the bulky part is at the end. Align your fabrics again and continue to sew. Now you should have something looking like this. Now repeat for the other side. Make sure you put the same fabrics on the same side, or if you want a little bit of a variety, maybe mix it up and put the other one and put the inner fabric out and the outer fabric in. So don't get confused with this part. Again, have your zipper like this, align the front side, the right side on the zipper, flip it up, and align the inner right side to the right side of the outer fabric. Don't forget to make a little back stitch when you begin to sew, so that the fabric holds stronger. As you sew, cut off all your threads so that you don't forget to do it later and have just a lot of threads hanging around. Now open it up and you should be having something like this. So wrong sides together and right sides together here. And when you close the zipper, you can already see how this is becoming more like a pencil case. Now for the next part, what we have to do is open up your zipper about halfway, put the right sides together of your outer fabric and the right sides together of your inner fabric. Make sure you align all the edges. Leave a gap here. Once you're finished, you should have one hole on one side like that. Ideally, the inside part of the pencil case rather than the outside. So go ahead and flip it inside out. You want to make sure you push in all the corners. And when you open up your zipper completely, you should be having something like this. I know it looks weird right now, but all you need to do is straighten out these inner corners, flatten it out, and sew the little hole that you had left. So just here. Try to sew it as close to the edge as possible. Now all you have to do is put this in here. So just open it up and push it in. Neaten out all the corners, zip it up, and there you go. The pencil case is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I've made so many pencil cases in my life. I think I started making them when I was about 14 or 15 and now I'm 20. I just love them because they're so simple and fun, and you could add decorations, you can play with colors, and they can be used for anything from art supplies, pencils, makeup, thread, sewing material, basically whatever you want. You can make them in so many sizes and in different shapes. This is just a simple shape, but if you would like to see me make another kind of shaped pencil case, do let me know in the comments below. I'd be so grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you again soon. Bye!